If I lost everything tomorrow, my money, my job, my savings, here's exactly what I would do. First, I would stop panicking. Because panic destroys more lives than poverty ever does. Then I'd focus on one thing only. Cash flow. Not looking rich. Not impressing people. Survival first. I'd cut every unnecessary expense immediately. Cheap food. Small room. No luxury. Then I'd use every skill I have to make money online or offline. Delivery apps. Freelancing. AI work. Anything legal that creates income fast. Once money starts coming in again, I'd save my first $1,000 emergency fund. Then slowly start investing again. Index funds. Skills. Assets. Because rebuilding wealth is not about luck. It's about discipline during hard times. Most people stay broke because they give up emotionally before they recover financially. But if you learn how money works, you can rebuild almost anything. Follow for more financial truths they never teach in school.